Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening the My Zong app because it shows current bundles and the dedicated data share option. Once done, make sure your SIM is active and your data balance covers the amount you plan to send. You must also have the recipient number on hand in 03XXXXXXXXX format and verify they are a Zong user. This avoids failed transfers. Tap Data Share immediately. The app lists available bundles and prices, so you can pick the correct size before moving to the next step. Now you select the recipient and the exact bundle or amount to send because precision matters for billing and validity. Once selected, review the cost and the validity period. Some options move whole packs while others send a specific MB or GB allocation. Make sure the displayed recipient number is correct. Then authorize the transfer using your app PIN or biometric unlock if enabled. After you confirm, wait for the success SMS and a notification in the app. This proves the transfer completed and shows the new expiry details. Finish by verifying confirmations. You and the recipient should each receive an SMS with the transferred amount and new expiry, so check both phones. If the transfer fails, wait 5 to 10 minutes and retry the exact steps. Transient network or balance checks often resolve in that window. If problems persist, use the My Zong app support chat or call customer care from the app. And make sure the app is updated and both numbers are active on Zong to avoid cross-network restrictions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.